Yo, what is up? My name is Christopher, and today I have a product here for your Apple AirPod. Now, what this is, you're going to get a case with it. You're going to get a strap so you don't lose it. You're going to get some ear hooks for it. You're going to get a keychain. You're going to get the headphone accessory storage travel bag. And of course, they're going to come in a black color. Now, they have 7 colors. These retail for about a little over $12. I want to say like $12.50 or something like that on Amazon. There's 7 colors. You'll be able to get black. You can get, I believe the colors are blue, gray, pink, red, purple, and I believe it's green or mint green. So those ones are a little more expensive. The black ones though are $12.68. Let's pop these open and I will show you what you get included. Tell you why these are going to be very useful. Dump out those little accessories right there. So this is what we're looking at right here. Let's move that. You're going to get this little black travel case. You can see it has some branding right here, Derhom, however you pronounce that. You're going to get a Carabiner Clip right here. It's a small aluminum one. You're also going to get a stainless steel one. You're going to get these little wings right here. I don't use these. Some people say they stay in your ear better if you have these on the AirPods. I've never actually tried these or used these. I don't have a problem with the AirPods, more or less. Right here, you're going to have a cable for it. So I'll tell you how these will be useful, though. I ride mountain bikes in the summertime, and I live in Vermont, so I live on a mountain. And when I ride my mountain bike, I'm always nervous that my AirPods are going to come flying out. And I'm always like checking them and pushing them back in. So having something like this that is going to be able to wrap around my neck so I don't lose them could be very useful, and I think it will. The bag right here is like a silicone, type material, and it does have the little strap on it. It's going to have the zipper here. Let's go ahead and look what we get inside. You're going to get, this is the stainless steel Carabiner Clip. Now this is for the actual case right here. You can throw this on this little strap so you don't lose it, attach it to your book bag or whatever. This little thing right here is going to be for the actual AirPod, and I'll show you that in 1 second. So we got the case right here. Let's pop it out. We're going to pop the AirPod case in here like so. Another really useful thing about this AirPod case is it is silicone. So if you're someone who wears your AirPods in the gym, you know that this little thing slides around in your gym shorts because the inside of your gym shorts are slick. Having this like rubber type material where it gives a little friction, that's really useful in my opinion. So if you just want something to keep your case not only like scratch free, but also so you have the ability to stay in your pocket, that's cool. You put the Carabiner Clip, the little small one right here. Let's just throw that on here, and there you go. Now you got a way to attach it to say a keychain or something, so you have an additional way to keep up with your AirPods, when you're out and about. Another thing I want to mention, it does have a cutout here for the lightning connector, so if you want to charge it while it's in the case, you got a little cover and it just pushes down inside the lightning hole right there, pops up. Easy access to your AirPod. You can slide those in and out with ease, no problem. $12 and I believe 50 cents for this. Very useful. Thing about it is when you're traveling or something, you can throw all your accessories in here, maybe throw in another pair of the wired earbuds, and we throw in a lightning cable or something. Should fit in there, no problem. You got the little wings here. Let me show you how the wings work real quick. Let me grab one of these AirPods, and we're just gonna throw one of these wings on here. I believe I need this one for this AirPod. Just gonna slide over the AirPod like so. Now some people say these stay in the ear better. You can line it up like so. I don't know if I can get it. Just gonna have to wiggle it around, but there you go. Lines up perfect with it. You got it right over the AirPod. I don't know, I've never a need for these, but some people like them, so you get those included for $12. The more stuff I get, the better. But Derhom AirPod Accessory Kit right here. When you're traveling, you can throw all your stuff in the little carrying pouch. And then you have the little strap right here. This works like this. You could slide the AirPod down inside like that, put it in your ear, wrap that around your neck, put the other one in the other side. Now you basically have a cable for your AirPods, so if one falls out, you're not going to fall off and you're not going to lose it. Like I said, I ride my mountain bike. This would be very useful on my mountain bike. I'm always worried, I'm doing 25, 30 miles per hour down a 2-mile hill or something in Vermont, and I'm always scared my AirPod is going to go flying. I'll probably never find it if it happens. Don't have to worry about that now. I do plan on putting this to use in the summertime. But Derhom Apple AirPod Accessory Kit, $12, and it's actually $12.68 on Amazon. If you have any questions or comments about this product, feel free to leave that down below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.